I'm Myles Riches, I'm 16 years old and I'm your future pilot. For me, being a pilot, there was lots of articles saying you need a lot of money to do training, but you shouldn't let none of that defer you, because if you really want it, you'd find ways to make it possible. I would say teachers was describing me as disruptive and not very focused. One day, my dad, he got a little card from Slenky at an event. So then he told me about it, so I went onto the website and I saw the shop for gliding, and since I already wanted to be a pilot, I think it should help me and benefit me a lot. So I just applied, and then next thing I know, I was messaged by the company to go to an interview. A week later, they replied to me and told me that I've got the scholarship. I think my parents were really proud, because it's something really hard to achieve, and a lot of people applied. And when I was at the highest altitude and the instructor gave me control, it's like an amazing feeling. You can control whatever the glider does, and it just shows you when you're in there. It's like, wow, I've actually done something. In 10 years' time, I hope to be flying commercial aircraft anywhere around the world, really, and yeah, hope to be exploring the world as well while doing the job I want to.